Hello everybody. Yes, I'm back. Fortunately, a lot of things prevented me from making more videos. But that's the advantage of having algos trading for you. You do whatever you want and they trade for you. So let's have a look what happened with Bitcoin, because yesterday we dumped almost 8%. So for the moment, it looks like we're back in a previous range. So let's draw it. Let's start over here and then something like this. So we did pop out from the range. We did hit the 0.618 retracement from the all-time high. So that's always a level to watch, especially with crypto. So now we're back in the middle of the range, and usually we retest the bottom as well. So that would be the 40k level. If we close below 40k and the next day candle is also below 40k, then it would be a clear change of market structure, and I would lean more bearish again. So I'm also watching the total volume since the low and the price action where we are now, because what I think will happen is especially with the ETFs, we're going to get more volume here around the top, and then this point of control, so this red line will move up, showing that most of the transactions happened around the price levels where we are now. And that would be a clear sign to dump. This has happened in the past already, so I think today or this time will be the same. So then the Binance basis oscillator, this one is also getting quite close to the red line. So that means that the price difference between spot and futures are getting wider and wider. So futures are getting more and more expensive. So that means that more speculators are trading on the futures market. And there's a higher demand there than there is in spot. So this, so far, this Binance oscillator has worked pretty well to call tops and bottoms. So then you can also see here with this volume analysis indicator that also here we had a lot of volume. Well, you can also see it on the volume candles, a lot of volume at the bottom. And then let's say from, let's say here, the end of March, you can see volume is dropping off. These are moving averages, so they lag a bit. But if you look at the volume candles, then there's clearly no demand anymore, and this whole uptrend is just on low volume, and that's very often not a healthy situation. All right, let's have a look on the 1 hour chart. So the algos here are doing a very good job. For Bitcoin, we are up around 56% in profit. For Ethereum, we had a good run up of almost 34%, and now a little profit of almost 6%. So these algos were performing very well. And then let's have a look on the daily chart. So here we have Bitcoin. That's a bit the disadvantage of algo trading. That means in a ranging market you lose money. So here we got an exit signal. Here you buy again. Sorry, let's take the ATR. That is more visible. Here you sell. 2 days later you buy, a few days later you sell again, you buy again, you sell again, buy, sell. So these are all, most of them are just losing trades. Unfortunately, that's the name of the game, and there's not much I can do about that. Unless somebody knows how to predict a ranging market quite early, then I'm happy to hear it. You can always leave your comments in below this video. If we hide ATR and then we go to the turtle strategy, then it's a bit the same exit, and then we try to go long here again, here as well, here, and then poof, the dump from yesterday, and we did lose on all those trades. So yeah, that's a bit unfortunate, but yeah, that's how it is. Then Ethereum, at least that's a nicer story to tell. ATR, let's have a look. This one is 44% in profit, and then if we would close below the trigger line, we would end up with a, yeah, depends where it will close, but like a 22-23% of profit. And then looking at the turtle strategy, then this one has been buying here. Here we got an exit. Then we have been buying here again, exit, and it looks like those were losing trades. And now we're buying again. So maybe looking at the, if you would look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, then you will see that Ethereum is currently in an uptrend. So it means that Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. So who knows, maybe here we go further up while Bitcoin is coming down. Solana, yeah, what can I say? It just keeps going up and up and up. So for the moment, almost 290% in profit. And we're flirting with the trigger line. So it would be very nice if we can finally take profits on this one. And then XLM also in profit, but the trigger line is just above where we got our buy signal. So if we close below them, probably this will be a losing trade. It's a bit of a shame to keep a trade so long open and to have a small loss. But yeah, what can we do about it? XRP. I don't know what to say about XRP. This is so frustrating. I mean, if you hide it, then where should I go back to? Here, selling, and then here just pump, dump, pump, giving back most of the time, coming back again, retry. Okay, finally pump. This was this gigantic move up 73%, and we did come back all the way down. We gave everything back. Pump up again now. Look, we came back again almost to the bottom of this whole run up. We're consolidating now a bit. But very, very choppy. Anyway, I trade this one with a small quantity because I don't like. I'm not a big fan of trading XRP. But okay, the back testing shows nice profits. Of course, the past price action doesn't mean anything for the future, but somewhere I hope I can generate also those profits again, the ones we had in the past. So, all right, let's have a look at the copy trading. So yeah, in the $136 of a loss, which is logic because all those Bitcoin positions had to be closed. Also XRP. So currently still in an Ethereum trade, slight loss. Solana still plus $933 in profit. So looking at total assets, we started with 1,000. We're now at 2,420. So we're still nicely up in profits. And then let's go to the traditional markets. Let's have a look at gold. Yeah, gold still in an uptrend. Buy has been buying all the way here. Exit looks like most of them were in profit. Then the algo was buying here again, and then we got this exit here, and it looks like most of them were in a loss. But it looks like we bottomed a bit over here, and now we're ready to move up again. So nothing special to see here. So still a nice uptrend. Yeah, and then silver, that's another story. Buying, exit, so it looks like those were losing trades. Buying, exit, also losing trade. 2 buy signals, exit definitely in a loss. So this is also a ranging market. Let's see. Something along those lines. Pop out, come back, retest the midline of the range. Try to pop out again, coming back. Again, the upper range. Retest the middle, then coming all the way back down. Retesting middle, pop out again, coming back to the middle. Well, that's what a ranging market does, and it confuses the algos, and it gives a lot of losing trades. But usually they once it starts trending again, it really makes up for your losses. No, that's not the one which I had on. Here, turtle strategy. All right. Then let's have a look. Nasdaq doing really good for the moment. Also, the algos did pick it up nicely. So buy here all the way, buying. Still, for the moment, nicely in profit. So the red dashed line was the previous all-time high. We did pop up above it, came back down with a gap over here. We closed the gap, but we didn't reject from it. So we're again above the previous all-time high. And now we're going to have to see what happens over here. Maybe we try to retest this high and then we get a final rejection and the stock market comes down. Or we just close above it and we keep going. That's also a possibility. Euro USD. Also here, algos picked up nicely the trend. Buy signal, exit here. That was a short which didn't work out. And this little long trade was also fine. Little short didn't work out. Again, nicely picked up the long, nicely picked up the short. And now a bit the same. Little long trade, which was a small profit. The short didn't work out. And now back into a long trade. So also looking at the bigger picture, it looks like we're ranging between the 1.05 and where we are now. Where we were earlier this week, so the 1.11. Crude oil, also with the slowing in global economy, I don't expect much price action over here. You can also say that we are here somehow in a big range. Just loosely drawing something. You see, we popped out, come back in, retesting the lows, now retesting the middle. So I think also here we're gonna have a ranging market. So we got a buy signal here, exit, losing trade, buy, exit, losing trade. Now yesterday we got a buy entry again, but look, most of the gains got sold again. So probably this one will also be a losing trade. And then copper, I don't trade this one anymore, but this was quite a loss. Entry over here, sell over here, that's minus 5.4%. And no wick to the downside, so it looks like this one wants to come back even further down. Nobody was interested in buying at those prices. So that doesn't look too good. Here's some support back at the 3.5 region. And and I wanted to go over the algo trading for the stock market. So for the moment, the algos in total, they have taken 122 trades. About 1/3 were profitable. And unfortunately, I'm $191 in a loss. That's for the closed trades, but at this moment, for the open trades, the algos are $793 in profit. And I have seen that I don't have any free margin anymore, so I'm gonna have to take profits on some of those trades. So the one which is the best performer here is Meta, and then the second one is the Nasdaq. The next one would be this, Nvidia, and then followed by Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and gold. That's an interesting one because gold. Yeah, okay. Gold was supposed to be closed, but that's also the problem when you have your algos here in trading view on a chart of exchange on which you don't trade. So this is on Oanda. The price action on Oanda gave the algo the exit signal, but on SimpleFX the price did not come down deep enough, and we did not get any sell signal yet. So yeah, here in this case it works out fine because it's still in profit. Actually, it isn't, because I see now after the swaps that I'm actually $5.73 down. Oh, that's the cost of keeping trades open for way too long. So this one is already open since the 2nd of January, and that's the cost of keeping your trades open. So yeah, that happens. So yeah, in general, so for the moment, Nasdaq doing well. The rest not really. Yeah, of course, the stock market in general, let's say, this one is fine. Precious metals not doing much for the moment. And then for crypto, yeah, out of Bitcoin, Ethereum is still looking reasonably well. And then let's see if I go quickly to ETH, BTC. On Coinbase. So here you can see how Ethereum is currently outperforming Bitcoin. So we did end up at the support level over here. We just wicked below it, found support, and now we're coming up. So you can also see here that some volume is coming in. So also here looks more like a range. So if we would revisit the top of the range, so that would be like 0.08 around these levels. That that we might expect some resistance. So who knows? Maybe Ethereum will now profit from from Bitcoin coming down, and maybe this is fuel for an upcoming Ethereum ETF. Who knows? Maybe the big hedge fund managers are already buying up Ethereum in anticipation of the Ethereum ETF. We're gonna have to see. All right, see you on the next one. Bye bye.